Yeah, hello guys. So this is another method on how you can create an SMTP that is going to deliver 100% into inbox with 10 all over 10 inbox calls. So crazy, right? So you can see right here we have 10 over 10, and you can see I am going to show you the exact way that I actually created this. And you can see we have the DKIM, the DMARC and SPF, everything validated. You can see we are not on any block list right here, and it delivers 10 all over 10 into inbox. So without further ado, let us dive right into the video. And don't forget, if you want me to help you create an SMTP that delivers 10 over 10 from scratch, yeah, kindly send me a DM on WhatsApp or on my Telegram, and make sure you also join our Telegram channel so you can get new information about SMTP and other things. So yeah, the first thing you're going to do is to open your PuTTY. You can see I have opened my PuTTY. You need to have your PuTTY installed. Then when you open it, you copy your IPv4 address, you paste it right here, then you click on open. Yeah, so let me extend this a little bit. So I need to log in to my VPS or server right here. So let me also input the password. As you can see it, then voila, I'm in already. So once you are logged in, so what else am I going to do? I'm going to run an upgrade and update command. So that is sudo, let me type that. So I'm running the two commands at a time to update and to upgrade my image. That is my server image. So you need to wait till the upgrade and the update is complete. So good, the upgrade and the updates are both completed already. So the next command I'm going to input is I need to clone my my tool, which is the Modoboa installer. I need to clone it on the server. So let me do that. Yeah, so I have that cloned already, and I need to run a command to install Modoboa right here. So once I have the command to go to the directory of Modoboa, I would also run this. So you make sure this is replaced with your domain. So since I have that already, I am going to run that. Good. Yeah, as I have that, so I will need to install the installer.cfg. I will need to make some adjustments right here. So yeah, so I will input nano installer.cfg, then enter. I will be changing the certificates from self-signed into let's encrypt. I will change it into let's encrypt. As you can see right now, and I'm going to change this email to one of my active emails. Let me copy the email and come back right now. So I have the email copied, so let me delete this off. Then I paste the email right here, as you can see it. So I would need to save this. Ctrl X, Y, then enter. Good. So once I have that done, I would need to install the Python and run the Python code for the Modoboa right here. So let me copy and paste that since I have the necessary things done. So it's going to bring different prompts, so I am going to click on yes. And mind you, when you start your installation, it's going to take quite a lot of time, right? So I'm going to pause this video and come back to it. As you can see it right now, you can see it has already installed Amavis, so it's going to install everything. You watch it install completely before you do any other thing. I'll be pausing again. Now, as you can see, the installation is done completely. So once the installation is done completely, you would need to have your login right here. So you need to log in, you copy it, and then you log in. So let me do that right now. Let me go to my browser. So you go to your browser, as you can see, you need to paste the link. So once you paste the link, you need to input the username and the password, and make sure you change the username and password once you log in. But I will be using it that way. So, but for your own case, you make sure you change the username and the password. And don't forget, I will be dropping these commands right here. I'll be dropping the command in my Telegram channel, so make sure you join. And if you want me to build an SMTP for you, make sure you send me a message on WhatsApp or on Telegram. Yeah, so let me continue. So the next thing you do is to go to Modoboa v2. You click on that. So it's going to take you in again. So as you can see it, you need to come under domains. So you need to create new, then domain. So you need to copy and paste your domain right here. So let me just type it. So you can use any domain, but make sure it's a domain that you installed on your server. So enabled, click on next. You need to enable DKIM and select this 2048 right here. So DKIM key selector, leave it as Modoboa. Click on next. So you need to leave these ones to be infinity. Click on next. So you can just create a domain administrator, and then you input. You can select a random password, right? Or you input a custom password. So this is going to be your email. You can use it, you can type anything, probably info or contact at, and so on and so forth. So let me just input a password I will remember. Yeah, so once you're done with that, you click on next. As you can see it right now. So confirm and create. You can try to check and confirm anything, but if there's any mistake, you can modify. Confirm and create. Yeah, fantastic. So the next thing you do is you need to generate your DKIM key. You click on yes. So a new key will be generated, then you reload the page for you to see the key that is being generated. So you can see it right here. Click on show key. You will need to copy the key, right? So this is going to be the headline. So you can just copy this one, you can paste it somewhere. So let me just paste it here so that I can be able to make adjustments. So I would need to copy this, then I need to go back to my name server. So let me go to my name server as you can see, this is where I have my name server. So I will need to add a new record. I will need to select txt. So I need to copy this right here, then paste it right here. So I will also need to copy this. You can see, click to copy, it has copied already. So I need to go back to my name server, then I will paste it under the contents. You can see how I pasted it, then click on save, right? Click on save. So you can check it. Yeah, you can check to confirm if the installation is correct. As you can see, it is. So once you're done with that, you need to come back. You click on close, so you can reload. So once you reload, you come under this option. As you can see how I'm doing it. You need to create this MX record which we've created already. You need to create this SPF. So now let me create SPF. So I have created SPF already. I just need to adjust it. So let me reduce this and this as well. Yeah, good. So I will need to copy this for my SPF contents. I paste it right here, then save. So I have my SPF already. I also have my DKIM which I inputted the other time. Also I will need to add my DMARC record. I will copy that, add record. I need to switch to txt, then paste. So as you can see it, you need to come also under this one and create a new record for CNAME. Make sure this record is for CNAME, as you can see, and you need to copy these parts for the name. Then the targets. So the target has to be your host name. So what is my host name? My host name is mail.domain. Yeah, so I need to turn off this proxy status, then save. So I'll be doing the same thing for the second one, which is the auto discover. I need to add new record, change to CNAME. Let me copy the auto discover. So I need to input the name, that to the targets. So let me just copy it directly from here, then paste. I will turn off the proxy status, then I have it saved. So once I have everything set up, I will need to come back here and close. So you need to wait for a few minutes to reload. So once you reload and the whole thing is approved right here. So let me check if it's approved yet. So it's not approved yet, it's still loading. So I need to wait a few minutes for everything to propagate, and I will need to reload. Once I reload and everything is on green, then everything is set and we are good to go. Yeah, so let me pause and come back. So as you can see, it has propagated successfully, and everything is now on green. We have our SPF, we have our DMARC, DKIM, everything is now successfully propagated. So from here we are going to continue. The next thing we are going to do is to log out. Okay, let me just cancel this. So the next thing we are going to do is to log out our Modoboa and log in our mail access. So how do we do that? So we click on logout right now. Logout. Then we need to log in our mail. So how do we log in our mail? We need to input domain, our domain name /webmail. Yeah, so this is going to take us to the account of our webmail. So you need to log in the username and the password that you created during the time you're creating your email users the other time. So let me do that. Username, and you input your password. Okay, so I think so once you have the correct password and the username, it's going to log in this way successfully. So now that I'm able to log in successfully, so we are going to test our mail server right now. Yeah, so I will go to where we are going to make our testing. So let me open that. You can search for mail tester on Google, or go to www.mailtester.com, mail-tester.com. Yeah, as you can see it right here. So you need to copy the testing email to send to. You come to compose right here, then you paste it on your toe. As you can see it, you input your subject. So I am going to input my subject right now. Let me use this. Okay, yeah, so this is the sample message I'll be sending. So let me send right now. Once you're done with this, you just click on send and wait for it to send successfully. You can see message sent. Then you come back to this place and click on check your score. So it's going to load. Yeah, so as you can see right now, we have 10 all over 10 score. So our sending message is 10 all over 10, which is perfect. You can see everything is perfect right here. You can see we sent from the same email, info@digitech.com.ng, and that is really crazy. So you can see everything works perfectly. Our SPF, DKIM, DMARC, everything is right here. So you can see how wonderful that is, and that shows that this SMTP goes directly to any inbox. Yeah, it goes directly to any inbox. Yeah, so thank you very much. If you want to learn how to do this, make sure you check my videos, and if you want me to help you build an SMTP that delivers into inbox 10 over 10, make sure you send me a message on my WhatsApp or Telegram, and also join my Telegram group to be able to get different videos and on how to make installation. So thank you very much. Bye.